Hey guys, it's Alex. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I am dying to play with this palette. This is the Tribe Juvia's Place palette. As you guys have been seeing lately, I've been playing around with all the new palettes that I have, and then I go back to review them for you guys and give you a thorough reason why I like them or not. So I have not played with this one yet. As you guys can see, it is super brand new. So today I figured we could just play around with it. I already know Juvia's Place's formula, so to me it's not going to be anything new. At least I hope not, because that's not what I've heard. So I think I'm going to do like a green crease outer V, and then use this orangey shade right here. I've been dying, and maybe use this blue down here. I don't know. We're going to play with it. So I'm going to start out with this color right here. I'm not even going to try to butcher the names because I know it's hard. Masai, I think that's how you say it. I don't know. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this on our crease. Holy moly. I don't know why I did not expect that to be pigmented. So this is like a lime green. And I'm going to grab this with a blending brush. I keep forgetting to tell you guys what I use for brushes. Do you guys care to know what I use for brushes, honestly? I don't know if it makes a big deal to share with you guys what I use in my tutorials or not, because I can verbally say what I'm using. It's up to you guys. I guess let me know down in the comment section if that's something important that you guys want to hear, is what I'm using as a brush, and then I'll be more conscious of doing that, because I've only had one person tell me this in like the years I've done tutorials, that they'd like me to tell them about the brushes. So I just want to know. Now I'm going to go in with this green, and I'm going to concentrate this more in the crease. And both of these so far are matte. So I'm going to concentrate this here. Definitely more pigmented, at least vibrant in the shade. Let's see. I'm going to start out slow because I don't want this to go too heavy-handed. Alright, let's go with the other side. Okay. It's blending out really nice and going really nicely with the other green shade. It doesn't look muddy, since they are in the same family. Alright, so I just wanted it to look in the crease. Now I'm going to grab with my finger, and I'm going to use that orange shade. It is a satin finish. It's not metallic or shimmery, just like a satin with a little bit more pizzazz to it, but it isn't metallic like the other shades in here. I don't know if I had this kind of orange anywhere else. It's definitely like a deep orange. Looks like a pumpkin shade. Oh, my eyes look like pumpkins. I'm going to grab a brush and just kind of concentrate this in the inner corner, because I can't get there with my finger. There we go. Okay, so now I want to put this in the outer V. I'm going to put this teal shade right here in the outer V. It's matte. We'll see how this goes. Cover up too much of that green we put in the crease, so I just want to pack this on the outer part just to deepen it up. Let me grab another brush. There we go. blends really nicely with the other green I put on. Just gonna grab a blending brush. Ooh, that looks so cool. And just blend out the edges. Actually looks pretty neat. Now for the lower lash line, I want to do this metallic-y teal shade right here. So I'm gonna grab my brush. Let's see, hopefully this will work, because this is a true metallic, so I don't know if it'll work. Oh, no, it works. It ties the outer V, but gives it a shimmer. Very, very nice. All right, so then let me grab a brush. All right, I'm gonna grab this shade right here and put it in the inner corner. I think this is like a gold piece. Let's see what it is. It is a white that has a gold green shift to it. Ooh, that is so pretty. That looks like a, wow, it's like a lime green metallic. Really neat. Did not expect that at all from this. Very, very cool. Now that we've gotten all of them on here, I'm going to do wing liner, lashes, the lips and everything, and then we'll come back and see the final look of the whole entire eye. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. I actually had, as I always say, I never really plan out my looks. I had an idea and I kind of improvised as I went, as usual. And I really loved how it turned out. I love how the green and the orange look amazing, and then the teal just ties everything together. This color is amazing for inner corner. It looks like it's going to be like a peachy color, but it turns out to be this green gold type of vibrant shade, and it really does a beautiful job of highlighting my inner corner. Now for lips, I went ahead and used this Lipstick Queen lipstick in the shade Natural Sinner, which is this right here. And then I went, I topped it off with my Honeycomb lipstick by Bite Beauty, and that's the combo that came out on my lips. As you guys know, I'm trying to use up this lipstick, so I use it in every look that I possibly can. So I love how it turned out. I really, really did. I know I always say that with all my looks, but I'm always shocked at the end result of all of my winging it looks, because I never plan them out fully. It just goes with the flow. So that's it for it. I really like this one. You guys are going to see this more, obviously, because I love Juvia's Place. I'm happy I have this palette. It's amazing. It looks beautiful. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will link this down in the description box if you are interested in purchasing this palette. I will catch you guys most likely in another video tomorrow. And don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye, guys.